There was a little bit of pain with the numbing injection, but once we started actually the procedure, there was no pain whatsoever, pain-free. Hi, I'm Mark Chambarlein and I'm from Nottingham in England. I saw it on the internet. It looked really good and it was at a sensible price and it got great recommendations. Yeah, fine. I just had my treatment, no problems at all. Feeling fine, no pain. Yeah, all the team were great, very helpful, very friendly. Work together well, obviously know what they're doing, and it wasn't a difficult experience, it was pleasant actually. Yeah, obviously it's difficult for everybody to get all of what I'm saying. It's impossible for them to understand everything unless they're English, but the communication was good, and it was always, if it wasn't good, it was worked on until we got to the right solution, so that was good. Yeah, Turkey's great. Istanbul's a bit crazy. It's a really fun place and really vibrant, so nice. There was a little bit of pain with the numbing injection, but once we started actually the procedure, there was no pain whatsoever, pain-free. First of all, I think everybody knows exactly what they're doing. They're very careful. They talk amongst one another and try and understand what the patient wants and work with you. And it was just a pleasant experience. It wasn't onerous, and it wasn't unpleasant at all. I can't say I enjoyed it, but it was good.